Hello. Yeah, usually I'm not recording any videos in English, but usually I'm not recording anything at all. But um, I have a problem that I bought this smart lock. I was kind of lazy to check the compatible doors, and then it's kind of I bought it before I bought the house and before I installed the doors. So basically, the problem is that it has some requirements for the doors, and it says the thickness should be maximum 55 millimeters, and my door appears to be 70 millimeters, so it's like not compatible with this lock. And it's like this lock is not cheap. Let's say like this, it's quite expensive, so I didn't want to like go into the waste or give it somebody else, because it's of course costs a lot of money. So I was kind of searching for the solution for it, and it's like it's a little bit dusty because I'm kind of working on it right now. So thing is like we have this outside piece, then goes this lock itself, this one. This lock goes like this. Let me put it here like this, and this inner piece goes like this, like on the another side. And the problem is that in my case, this kind of let's call it a shaft. This shaft does not reach to that hole there. So I was kind of searching a way to like make this longer, and maybe somebody will say that let's weld it there, but problem with the welding is like that heat will bend this metal, and it won't be straight. And like this smart lock is like very how to say it, very sensitive with the installation. So if you install it wrongly, then battery won't last as long as it should. So everything should be like everything should fit everything perfectly, so it will work as intended, and you have a long battery life, and everything will work smoothly. So I was thinking what are the options there, because like welding was not. Then if we will try to like let's remove it and make a new like kind of new piece of metal that will look like this, it kind of looks like impossible, because like I don't see any way to easily disassemble and like remove this thing. So what we ended up doing is like I asked asked for help I asked my friend for help, and gladly he helped me. So he made this little thing for me. It kind of I painted it yesterday, and it's kind of this kind of sheet metal, and it's welded with the two other metals that looks exactly like this. It should be like the thickness should be 2 millimeters, and this should be like 7 millimeter. It's exactly the same thickness, not exactly the same thickness 100%, but almost the exact thickness and the exact width with this existing shaft. And like on the outside it's like another metal welded, and this looks like this. So this will go in this hole, it goes all the way in, and this will go inside here. Right now the problem is that if you look at the factory, this metal, it has this kind of bump here, and we don't want it. So after we install, this one, and then after we find the place for this lock, whatever we left after this lock will be send it down, so it will be completely flat, so it will be able to like go inside here, and it kind of like a extension of the factory shaft, and this will go inside the inner lock. So that's the plan. How it will work, I don't know. I'm planning to install it today, but basically the plan is that like make an extension for it, and like yeah, I'll try and let's see how it goes. And one more thing is that probably this is like stainless steel, and this one is not, so that's why I'm painted. But over the time this paint will be removed. It's like a spray paint, not something special. And like maybe in few years it will start to getting rusted or things like this. So I don't know how it goes, but fingers crossed everything will be fine. So that's it. That's what I wanted to show, because like I was not able to find any other solution for this. And this one like looks professional, looks nice, looks promising. So let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll post the update later.